So this is the Intro to Computer Science class, and the first thing you want to know how to do is to sign into the computer, and for the login is SMHS, and then for the password is SMHS2701. So that's how you log into the computers here in the lab. And then once you're in, then you're going to open up Chrome, which is the preferred browser. And then you're going to go to the class website, which is at codecreative.us, and that'll take you here. You can go to courses, and then this here is elementary school classes. Here is what we're doing. So you click on Space Invaders picture, and it's going to prompt you for a password, and the password is coding SMHS, but it should already be saved in there, so you just need to hit enter. And takes you into here. This is the class that we are taking currently, JavaScript on CodeHS. So you can click on the picture, and then we have a daily schedule. So I'm going to click on that, and you could see here that I have the current week, and then I have last week. Right. So we have 2 weeks worth, which gives you a little bit of vision if you're ever absent. And you can see we have the standards here, the objectives, and then the daily milestones. And then we have any announcements. So we continue on down. We have the how-tos video page, which I'm going to reference quite often by putting little videos up here to answer common questions. And then we have the course syllabus, which you can review. And it goes over just kind of everything that I expect. If you have any questions, just let your parents know or let yourself know that you can reach me at dlee@smusd. It's connected to my phone, which I have on me at all times. So if there's ever a question, a programming question, or just a technical question, you could just get me, and I usually get you back if it's a short answer within an hour. And if it's a long answer, it'd probably wait until the nighttime for me to get back to you. But use me. Very common. It's very common for me to answer questions from students. All you need to do is ask the question, copy and paste your code into the email, and I'll get back to you. And yeah, so what you want to do is go ahead and sign this and get it turned into me tomorrow. What you're going to do is right-click the title here, say Save Link As. That's going to save the Word document that you can print and get turned in. So next is the online platform. So here we are using CodeHS to learn how to program. And yeah, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log in. Sign up. So you hit the sign up button. And I'm a student. You'll create your account. Be sure to use a password that you're familiar with. And the class code here is A59F. And then you'll go ahead and create your account, and you will get started. So if I log in, I can kind of show you how the platform works. It's very well put together, and it's sequenced in a very thoughtful way. So it teaches you kind of skills that you need to know in order to learn how to program. And it starts out with this lesson series using Carol, which is a dog. And it was named after a famous programmer from Russia. So we click on here, and this is the first learning module. Starts out with a video. So I'll click on that. You will watch it, and you can either choose to watch it on CodeHS, YouTube, or Vimeo, whichever you want. One thing to be aware of is that you need to watch the video until the very last second. Let the video end. And why do you want to do that? Because that will turn this bubble green, which means complete. And if you don't, it will leave this bubble gray, which means incomplete, or yellow. And yeah, so you watch the video, and then there's a little quiz usually after the video, just to make sure you are listening. And then we have the next little bubble is a example program, right? So then they give you an example. Here we have what the world should look like when you finish. Here's the code that does it, and we hit the run button to get Carol to execute this code, and you can see they highlighted in yellow, showing you the sequence or the order that your commands are executed. And so if we did it once, and let's say we did it in error, we can hit the reset button to get Carol back in place, and we can hit run. If you want to slow down the execution, you could turn it down to the turtle. If you want to speed it up, you could turn it up to the rabbit. And yeah, when you're finished, you want to hit continue, and you'll move on. And that is about it. And just one thing that I want to emphasize before you get started is that that this class is very teacher dependent, meaning when you have issues, you need to come and see me so I can clear you up on them, and every time you have an issue. So whether that's one time in the day or 20 times in the day, I do want to interact with you so that we can get through this together. And yeah, and so I hope you have fun.